Hi, welcome to the Let's Design channel. In this video, I will show you how to make this exercise, and its name is bearing bracket. Well, this is the dimension for this part. Then, let's make a modeling part now. From the SolidWorks interface, let's start from front plane and make it normal too. For the next step, click to the sketch, then click to this toggle, then click for the sector rectangle. For the next step, click the smooth dimension. For this vertical line, set the value to 56 millimeter. Then for the horizontal one, set to 90 millimeter. Click OK. For the next step, click this toggle, then midpoint line. Then click for construction. Start from this point. Right click and click select. Click this fillet and click to this edge. Set the value to 13 millimeter. Then click this edge. OK. For the next step, click this line and make it for construction. Right click and click select. Let's mirror this sketch. Set this guideline for mirror bar, then select to this sketch for entities. Then OK. For the next step, click the offset entities. Then set the value to 7.5 millimeter. Then click to the sketch and click the reverse. Then OK. Well, for the next step, let's click on mirror entities, and I want to mirror about this guideline. Then click the sketch. Click OK. Then click trim entities and click trim to power trim is selected. Then click to the sketch. Then click OK. For the next step, click to this circle. Then I want to set the smart dimension and make it 30 millimeter. For the next step, change this distance from this point to 45 millimeter. Then OK. Click the circle and set to 19.1 millimeter. Then OK. Click to this line right click and click select. Then change to this distance to 3 millimeter. and set this distance to 13 millimeter. Wait, change this dimension to 10 millimeter. Then click on mirror entities. Mirror about this guideline. Then click to this line. Click OK. For the next step, let's give the thickness by click of feathers. Then extrude boss. Set a value to 10 millimeter. Then change the arrow. Offset the body. Then click OK. I'm sorry. Set to 7 millimeter. Then OK. Click this toggle and click this sketch. Click extrude boss. Then click this for the direction to make it 3 millimeter. Then OK. For the next step, click this toggle and to sketch, click extrude boss. Click to this sketch and set to 10 millimeter. Then change the direction. Then OK. Click to this toggle and click to the sketch. Click extrude boss. Set the value to 60 millimeter. Then click to this sketch and change the direction. Click OK. For the next step, click to this toggle and click to the sketch. Click extrude cut. Then click to this sketch and set the value to 20 millimeter. The body will be cutting. Well, for the next step, let's change the view to right plane and make it normal too. Right click and click sketch. Click this line and start from this point. Right click and click select. Click the smart dimension. Set this this distance to 15 millimeter. Then set this distance to these sides to 10 millimeter. Then OK. For the next step, click this fillet and set value to 10 millimeter. Then click to this line. Then OK. Well, for the next step, click the offset entities. Click to the sketch. Set the value to 10 millimeter. Then OK. connect this line. Click OK. For the next step, click on Feathers and Extrude Boss. Change to midplane, then give the thickness value to 30 mm. Then OK. Then let's cut this unnecessary part by click this toggle and sketch. This sketch, and click extrude cut. Click to this sketch and drag this row to cut this body. Click a Ctrl 7 combination at your keyboard to make the isometric view. And for the next step, I want to change this appearance. Click this icon. For the example, I want to make it to red color. Then change for several surface color. Delete this. Click to this select face. Then select to surface that want to change the color. I want to make it to this color, then OK. The other information, set fillets and rounds are 3. You can add it by click of fillets. Change the value to 3 mm. For the example, I want to make it from this edge, then OK. Click a Ctrl 7 to make it isometric view. Well, the part is done. I hope you like this bearing bracket tutorial. Then see you next time.